In this video, I will show you how to delete audio in Premiere Pro. To get started, what you'll need to do is to open Adobe Premiere Pro on your device. Now, if you don't have that, you can also use Adobe Express as a tool to use for your video editing needs. And here, go ahead and upload the video that you want to use. Now, click on the video that you are going to use. Now, under that, you'll be able to find this Edit Timeline button. Click on this, and under your video, you'll be able to find its audio. So, click on the audio, and since what we want to do is to delete the audio, what we'll need to do is to click on the audio and click on the three dots under the audio to be able to find the options that we have to delete this. Click on this three dots and click on delete. After you click on delete, this audio of the video will be deleted on your timeline, and that's basically how you can do that. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.